Hi, I am Dr. Kalpana Sampath, and I am the director of EFIL Educational Services Private Limited. And I also work as a consultant with Arpita Associates. Challenging times, of course, in the entire world, and each of our professions have been affected in several different ways. And but I do find that this is a great learning time, and it is a paradigm shift. And in many ways, if you see, every day is a new day because of the uncertainties and the dynamism that it involves. Every day seems to be something new that I'm learning, and technology is, of course, greatly aiding in many of our learnings. And coming from EFIL side of it, we do reach out to teacher training. We do work with the schools in 5 different states, and with over 12,000 plus students on life education programs. This program is called eCube. And in this challenging time, one of the things that has happened is we help create a number of the 10th graders as the social entrepreneurs, and we create a number of social action projects. Earlier, children used to go out and they used to kind of work with the society, understand what it means to make a difference, and bring in a lot of their own leadership skills. And we do take them through management tools and decision making and critical thinking tools. And this particular year has been, in a way, practical and very experiential for them, because there is help needed everywhere. But at the same time, we are in a constraint where we can't go out. But children have come out with innovative ways of being at home. So this time, what we have done is we have done online classes for this, and teachers have also been roped into it, and students have been told that usually it is a social action project, SAP, but this time it is social action project or self-analysis project, or it could also be school action project, or it could also be supporting the community and the entire apartment and the family. So children are this today we had one class of SAP intro for a school, and this is a part of mandatory seva from the CBSE Council for the 10th graders, but they are coming out with innovative methods, even including how they are supporting the management of the entire apartment, and the community is very interesting. They are willing to work with migrant workers to ensure that funding is happening and social media support is happening. They are coming out with very good. So actually, we have become more busy. Technology has been greatly aiding in some of our work. I'm also the board member of AMC, Association for Mentally Challenged, and we have worked extensively to reach out to the families of all these differently able children by ensuring that they get the food items and ensuring that they work. So there's a good group which can work from home, at the same time coordinate and connect and ensure that the food items are received by them. So crowdsourcing and crowdfunding has been a very important part. So we have coped very well. I think actually it has brought us together, the board members together, and also the parents have started trusting us and believing in us, and we have actually come together and stood by them. And very interestingly, I'm also a filmmaker, an actor, and that is one thing which really gets hit, in all this pandemic, that gets hit. But interestingly, I have a very young group that I'm associated with. They have started a new channel for short film movies called a White Wall, and that is another interesting concept that people have started saying that, hey, this makes a lot of sense and we can reach out to them. And one of our movies that I have also acted in, called Kuru, was the first movie that We Move Theatre people had produced it, and they have gone ahead together to put that. And today there's a new platform, so many people are now coming forward to say, why don't we cast our own film? So actually, if you see, though it is a pandemic, it is going to be a paradigm shift, and when we are going to get back, we are seeing that everybody has resilience and everybody has coping mechanisms, and especially the children are very supportive, and they are willing to learn in very very different ways, and they're seeing where I can, once you initiate the need for making a difference and seeing how to accept the reality and then fight on it. I have done a lot of podcasts. Now I've done a lot of webinars also, and we are working with parents now, connecting Ayurveda and that together. Testing time, recreating myself, recreating my organization, and all our faculty and all of us have worked together fantastic, I feel, because though we are at home, we are connected with each other, and platforms of Google Hangouts and G Suits and Zoom and many other things have been available now where we are connected. All our trainings are going very well, and I think we are more focused because of the limitation of the time, and we are able to give our best. I think acceptance and willing to change, willing to recreate, willing to look at alternatives, and willing to see how to reach out and see what's the real need, and willing to give away the things that were not actually needed right now, not relevant, I think is the best formula for this. Okay, thank you, and thank you very much.